In this video, we listed the 7 best kitchen gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Chefman Electric Kettle. The Chefman Electric Kettle offers a blend of functionality and style, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. This 1.8-liter kettle features 1500 W of power, ensuring rapid boiling for hot water needs. The design highlights borosilicate glass, which not only gives a modern, sleek appearance but also provides durability and resistance to thermal shock. Key features include a removable lid for easy cleaning, which is particularly useful for maintaining hygiene and avoiding residue buildup. Additionally, the kettle includes boil-dry protection and an auto shut-off function, making it safe and user-friendly. Its stainless steel filter ensures water purity, and the BPA-free construction prioritizes health by reducing exposure to chemicals. Product 2. Product name: Ware Electric Dough Maker. The Ware Electric Dough Maker is a compact kitchen appliance designed for home baking enthusiasts who value convenience and efficiency. With a 3.7-quart capacity, this dough maker is perfect for creating pizza, bread, and other dough-based recipes in small to medium batches, fitting well within user interests in baking tools and household kitchen appliances. Its standout ferment function allows for controlled proofing, which is essential for achieving consistent, well-risen dough. Made with a 304 stainless steel bowl, it ensures durability, easy cleaning, and safety for food preparation. Model HMJ A35M1 is compact yet powerful, making it suitable for home bakers who want to streamline dough preparation without needing a full-sized stand mixer. This appliance's simple operation, combined with its specialized functions, supports both beginners and experienced bakers in exploring a wide variety of recipes with minimal effort. Product 3. Product name: OXO Dough Blender and Cutter. The OXO Good Grip stainless steel dough blender and cutter is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make the dough preparation process easier and more efficient, especially for bakers who value precision and comfort in their tools. Featuring sturdy stainless steel blades, this dough blender can effortlessly cut through butter, shortening, or margarine while combining it with flour for a perfect crumbly dough texture, essential for pies, biscuits, scones, and other pastries. Ergonomically designed with the OXO Good Grip signature, the handle offers a comfortable, non-slip grip, making it easy to use for extended periods without hand strain. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resists bending, even when dealing with cold, firm butter. This dough blender and cutter aligns well with the user's interest in quality baking tools and appliances that enhance functionality and efficiency in the kitchen. Product 4. Product name: Kitchen Scale. The Greater Goods high-capacity kitchen scale is a premium food scale tailored for precise kitchen tasks, supporting measurements in both grams and ounces. With an impressive 22 pound, 10 kilograms, maximum capacity, this scale is versatile for weighing everything from small ingredients to larger kitchen items, making it ideal for cooking, baking, meal prepping, or portion control. Equipped with a high-definition LCD screen, it provides clear and easy-to-read measurements. The sleek stainless steel platform not only offers durability but is also easy to clean, maintaining a pristine look that complements modern kitchens. Its accuracy and ease of use make it a valuable tool for home cooks, bakers, and anyone focusing on portioned meal prep. Product 5. Product name: Nordicware Adjustable Pie Shield. The Nordicware Adjustable Pie Shield is a metal baking accessory designed to protect pie crust edges from overbrowning or burning during baking. Crafted by Nordicware, a brand known for high-quality bakeware, this adjustable pie shield caters to various pie sizes, making it a versatile tool for home bakers who enjoy creating different-sized pies. The shield's metal construction ensures durability and even heat distribution, while its adjustable feature accommodates pies from 8 to 11.5 inches in diameter. This tool is particularly useful for preventing the delicate edges of crusts from browning too quickly, allowing the filling to bake thoroughly without compromising crust texture. Ideal for bakers who seek precision in their baking results, The Nordicware adjustable pie shield is a practical addition to any kitchen, enhancing the baking experience by ensuring beautiful, evenly cooked pies every time. Product 6. Product name JUM Edible Markers. The JUM Edible Markers for cookie decorating are a versatile set of food coloring pens designed for creative decorating on edible surfaces. This set includes 12 food-grade pens, each with a fine 0.5 mm ultrafine tip on one end and a broader tip on the other, making them ideal for intricate and bold designs alike. With these markers, users can decorate a variety of treats such as cookies, fondant cakes, Easter eggs, frosting, and macarons. The pens are designed to be safe and easy for all ages, offering a kid-friendly option for family baking activities or as a unique gift. The ultrafine tips provide precision in detail work, such as drawing, writing, or adding small accents, while the double-sided design increases versatility, making these markers an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals in cake decorating. Product 7. Product name A Corn Peeler. A corn peeler, also known as a corn stripper or corn cob stripping tool, is a handy kitchen tool designed to quickly and efficiently remove corn kernels from the cob. This device simplifies the process of detaching kernels, saving time and reducing mess compared to traditional methods. Models with a built-in cup grater allow users to strip corn directly into an attached container, making it convenient for meal prep and minimizing kernel spillage. Some corn peelers also feature multifunctional capabilities, such as doubling as a ginger grater, which enhances their versatility in the kitchen. The tool often includes a sharp blade optimized for safe and effective stripping of kernels, making it ideal for preparing fresh corn for salads, soups, salsas, and other dishes.